Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 10 more genius life hacks that you are going to wish you knew sooner. So let's get started. Number 10. Life hack. Don't get overwhelmed with all the little things that are happening in your life. Life doesn't have to be complicated. All you need is a few simple tricks that make life easier. Like this one. Use a binder clip on your desk or in your office to organize charging cables. Keep them from getting all twisted up together. This is awesome. No. 9. If you love to bake cookies, listen up. Put a slice of bread in your cookie jar. The bread will absorb any extra moisture and it will keep your cookies fresh for days. Who knew? No. 8. Have you ever struggled with a loose screw? I have. Use a rubber band around a stripped screw. It gives your screwdriver the extra grip it needs to turn the screw. Nice and easy. Number 7. Here's a great life hack if you ever suffer with a sports injury or maybe you just have a little boo-boo. Place a wet sponge inside a Ziploc bag, then freeze it. You have just created your very own reusable ice pack. Now you can feel better faster. Number 6. Do you struggle to make the perfect pancakes? This is for you. Next time you're making pancakes, put your pancake batter in a ketchup bottle. It helps you control the batter and it makes perfect circles every time. Less mess, more fun. Number 5. Did you know that if you place your phone in airplane mode, it charges twice as fast? Give it a try. Number 4. Stinky shoes can be a problem. I have 5 kids, so we have a lot of stinky shoes around here. At the end of the day, to keep your shoes smelling fresh, put a tea bag in each shoe overnight. The tea absorbs any odors while you sleep. In the morning, you have nice-smelling shoes. No. 3. This is such a fun idea. The next time you're hosting a barbecue, use a muffin tin to serve ketchup, mustard, relish, whatever you want. It's easy, and everything stays nice and clean. No. 2. Have you ever drilled a hole in something and then you look around and you see dust everywhere? This is an easy fix. Just place a sticky note under the drill hole to catch all the dust. Boom. And last but not least, if you store natural peanut butter in your refrigerator, turn the jar upside down. The oil will separate and it will be easier to spread. Now, I have a fun cleaning and life hack video that you're going to want to watch next. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.